Good morning, Mom. Arlene Marianito speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning, ma'am. I would like to make a room reservation, please.
Certainly, Ma'am. Who am I speaking to?
Ma'am Erica?
Ma'am Erica, should I make this room to offer a 10th floor reservation in your name?
Yes, ma'am.
When do you want the reservation, Ma'am Erica?
For tonight,
For how many people, Ma'am Erica?
just 4, please.
What time, Miss Erica?
At 7 p.m.
Would you like to add something in your room, Ma'am?
Yes.
May I repeat your room booking reservation, Ma'am?
Okay.
Miss Erica, you want a room reservation at 7 p.m. for 4 person and area under your name, Ma'am?
Yes.
Miss Erica, thank you for your patronage of Rendezvous Hotel.